Hey guys, I'm so excited. We just got our Vitamix 2500 back from the Vitamix service center. The UPS guy just delivered it. So we're going to open up this box and we're going to try to pair it with the Smart Blend app, which we were having problems with pairing over Bluetooth technology. The connectivity was very sporadic and it did not connect at all. We just kept getting an error and error and error and error. On the way bill, it says that they have replaced the bowl and circuit board. Tested okay. So come with us and let's put this thing together and see if we can get it to connect with the application. Let's go. Straight out the box, I can tell that this is a brand new 64-ounce jug. This is not the one that we sent off. It has absolutely no scratches on the inside. None whatsoever. Check the rubber. The rubber seal looks perfectly brand new. So I know that this is not our bowl. So they actually replaced it, and the blades have nothing on it. Let me check underneath the blade. No food at all, nothing. So we got an actual new bowl. So that's a new jar. So that's a great plus. This side. Honestly, oh, this is actually. All right, so let's start by putting on our Bluetooth, putting on our location, turning the unit on. Hit the blender. We see a blender. And it is connected, people. This little dot right here. Not sure if you can see right here. There's a dot right here at the bottom. We have successfully paired the Vitamix with the application. Now, the true test is closing this out. We have all the options. I'll give it a dry run on the mixer. 50 seconds popped up because it's a bigger jar. You see the progression in the program. And it was just that simple. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Everything's fixed now. Shout out to Vitamix for taking care of us. It was a hassle-free process. All we had to do was call the customer care service number that was presented on the app, give a little bit of information. They sent us out a UPS free shipping label. We put the whole unit inside of a box. We dropped it off at the UPS store, and the turnaround was about 2 weeks. Came back, you see they've updated the firmware. Now the firmware in here says 1.4, whereas previously it was 1.1. So I'm happy. We're happy. Anyways, guys, don't forget to check out my previous videos. And I'm trying to get 10 subscribers by the beginning of September. If you guys want to help me out, I greatly appreciate it. We have some other ideas that we have in place for our Vitamix blender. So if you guys have any questions, I love answering questions and comments. Just drop a question or a comment in the section below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. I usually answer all questions within 24 hours. So hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to likes help the page a lot, and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10 before September.